people, it's your boy Doc Status. I'm here today to give y'all some more life hacks, tricks, and tips. And today I'm gonna show you how to make your own herbal tea. I've been drinking herbal teas for about 6 years, and what led me to that direction of drinking herbal teas is because I was an addicted coffee drinker. And I think I was more addicted to the sugar than the coffee. I don't know which one, but I knew I had to let it go because it was no good. So I dedicated myself to just drinking herbal teas the last 5 or 6 years. This tea that I've been drinking for the last 5 years, it helps with digestive issues, it helps with inflammation, it fights cold and flu, and it gives you a lot of energy. Since I've been taking this, I haven't had any type of issues. I caught COVID one time, but that's about it. So let me bring you over here and show you how to make your own herbal tea. I have all my ingredients here, and what I'm using in this tea is, we got Seamoss. You all know about the Seamoss. It has over 92 of the 100 and semi minerals that our body needs to function at an optimal level every day. There's a lot of stuff that I can talk about this, but today we just sticking to the herbal tea. So Seamoss. Then we got elderberries. These are dried elderberries. Real dried elderberries is what I use. And I'm pretty sure you guys all know about the benefits of the elderberries. Really good for cold and flu season. Should have this, always have this in your house. Then we got turmeric flakes. I like the live turmeric. I just don't buy a lot of it because it ends up going bad on me. And I use the flakes and the powder faster than I would use the live turmeric. But I like live turmeric better because it's alive and it does you a lot of good being that way. Then we got lime. Then we got ginger. I got a live ginger and I got a dry ginger. So take my ginger and just start scooping the skin off of it until I get it all off. And it's real easy. All done. So you got ginger, dry or live, and then we got honey. So what we're gonna do is take a teapot, strainer ball. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the ingredients in this strainer ball except the Irish moss. So I don't know, you can put about maybe a tablespoon or 2 of the elderberry in your strainer ball. Got my live ginger, so I'll just cut that in pieces and throw that in there. Then I got my turmeric flakes. These some nice size flakes. You don't need that many. I'll just take a couple of them, pinch of them, put them in there. Then I'm good. And like I said, I got live ginger, so I'm not gonna put any of the flakes. But whatever your taste buds is like, you do it how you want to do it. So I got my ball full. What I'm gonna do is throw my ball inside my teapot, and then I'm gonna take my Seamoss. I like a lot of Seamoss in my tea, and the reason why I didn't put any Seamoss inside the strainer ball is because I want the Seamoss directly in the teapot. So when I put the water in and it melts, the Seamoss is gonna beat the water. And I don't have to strain it out of the ball. So with the Seamoss, a tablespoon will do, but I like a lot. So I can get me about 2 good sized tablespoons in there. 2 good sized tablespoons in there. And then put some water in it. Throw it on the stove, and then I put it on medium. So it all depends on how potent you want it or how long to cook it. A lot of times I'm moving fast in the morning, so I'm drinking this tea like coffee, so I'll probably put it on a medium, a little over medium. That'll give it about a 20-minute cook time, and then it's done. But if you like really sick, or like kid got a really bad cold, really, flu, or everybody in the house sick, you want to simmer this and put it on like a low, medium, between low and medium, close to medium, and let it simmer for like an hour, 45 minutes, an hour, even 2 hours if you can let it simmer that long, and then that'll pull all those properties out. So when it's done, I'll be back. One of the important things that you're gonna wanna do when your tea is done is let it sit for 5 minutes. Because after cooking it, that steam and stuff that's built up inside of there, the properties and minerals out of the herbs that's in here is inside of that steam, and it's all at the top of the kettle. So you want all that oil, it's basically essential oil, and you want all of that oil to drop back down into your water, into your tea, so you can get the benefits when you drink it. So, let it cool off for about 5 minutes before you get to dabbling into it. And until then, I'll take my lime. You can use lemon or lime. I like lime. Sometimes you need a lot of lime, and with lemon you don't need that much. But I put a little lime in my coffee pot. In my coffee cup. Get the lime in there. That'll give me about a good, maybe 2 tablespoons of honey. I got a sweet tooth, so I use a lot of honey. This is what's been getting me by with my sweet tooth without dabbing in the sweets, is this honey. A lot of good things that this honey do too, but we sticking with tea right now. So, got my honey in there, got my tea, and I'm gonna pour. And enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that this will be helpful to you guys in your health journey. Any questions or anything, just inbox me, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.